you don't have your legs?
Neighbors just drove by, they could see you.
Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect.
Oh, look at
What's Memphis doing?
Oh yeah.
Memphis wants to play.
that. Yeah, look at him.
He's my dance partner. Ooh, yeah. There you go. Heck yeah, you tell him. Put your knees up, get those knees
Yeah.
up.
You get hurt, Harley.
It's hard.
You gotta get into it.
Get those knees up.
You know I can see you being really good at this game.
Actually, have to though, right?
Christian wants to play this.
Oh, he's